have no idea why, but when I was recording that little video, or this video that you're watching right now, the audio just crapped. So, what you're going to do is I'm going to narrate this, but you choose the XY plane, okay? And then right here, I go ahead and I draw this little garbage L, and I am not very good at it, so you can make fun of me all you want. It's completely up to you. But anyway, yeah, I make it, I end up just making it like an inch by inch by inch. Yeah, sorry, I can't talk, Jesse's correcting me. Yeah, so 1 inch, then I go up 0.25 inches, then I go back 0.75 inches, then up 0.75, and then left 0.25, and then back down an inch. Yeah, so hopefully you can hear this audio. I don't know. I just finished printing this as we speak, so I'm going to actually hurry and switch over while I finish drawing that. You should just be able to skip through the video, but I'm not going to add any effects. I don't have that much time at the moment, or I got to go get some stuff done in science and whatnot. So yeah, here. Okay, so I'm going to really quickly. I'm going to go up 20, left 2. I'm gonna turn off that bed. I'm gonna leave this hot though. I might want to print it again. I feel like that printed pretty good though, Jesse, don't you, Phil? Alright, yeah, so now here, this is when I extrude it. So if you're watching the video, so I extrude it, I change it to I went half an inch on this extrude. And then, yeah, so that works, voila, magic, done. That's my little L. Right here, I can't remember exactly how to move it around, you know, the object, because I haven't used Inventor in forever. So anyway, right here, I just give up and I just hurry in, just, you know, whatever. So I come here, go down to export. Export is like a CAD format. And then when you go to save it as an STL. And voila. And then I just saved it somewhere. I can't remember. I just found a spot. So after you do that, yeah, remember the only thing I didn't put it in this video. Sorry, I didn't think about it. But if you want, you can go back in and just make sure that in your settings up in the top left, you know that it's still in millimeters. Do everything in millimeters except your measurements, like you saw me, were in inches. That's okay. Just make sure everything else is done in millimeters. When you export it, it's in millimeters, because that's how my printer software reads it. Like, I continue on. If you watch the video, I open Slicer. I was trying to open up a different Slicer program right here, but then I just like, whatever, I don't care. So I just opened up the regular Slicer. Because there's like an updated version of Slicer. Now there's probably a new version of Slicer, huh? I should probably check into that. So anyway, when it finally loads, because I think I have a virus on my computer right now. Someday it should load. There we go. So loads up. I just take that STL file, I throw it in here, and I save it as a G-code file. And Jesse just nearly fell off the exercising ball. Hey, what's the temperature for that bed? 53. Yeah, we'll give it a little bit longer. So anyway, I couldn't find my file. It took me a second, but yeah, we need to wait for it to cool down like another 10 degrees. Anyway, there I go. I cannot find it. It actually saved it to a different file, so sorry. I should have made this video a lot better, but that's what you get when you get, or wait, when I save it, I can't find it. But see, I drag it in there. That's my little L. For some reason, it looks a little off proportion in that picture, but I can assure you when it printed, it is not. There you go. That's your little view of it. Looks pretty good. So then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I go to check my settings, but I end up just printing it as is because all my speeds were fairly slow. There's only one layer I need to fix for this, but other than that, it looks really good. I'll send you a picture of it if you want. But yeah, I just check a couple of my settings real quick. Export it. I throw it in Pronterface. That's like the actual software that my printer uses. And that's what reads the G code. That's what controls my printer, moves it around, everything, right? So here I just export as G code. Blam. See right here, the file is in new slicer and then in glider test, and I didn't realize that. I thought it was back, so I go to load into printer face and can't find it here. But you know, that's what you get when you're Dallin. Sorry, this video, I didn't realize how long it is. It's kind of a long video. Sorry, I could have done this a lot faster, but I guess that's what you deserve when you can't figure out how to draw something real quick. But hopefully it'll give you an idea. I'm like, where the heck is it? And then I'm like, oh, that's awkward. That's really awkward. See, right there. I'm like, oh, okay, great. There we go. That's what I noticed. So I can jump back here. Jesse, you want to say anything to him? Who is it? You don't know who this is for? Spent all this time. Yeah.
What's up, Aaron?
Jesse's lame. Okay. 2 hours later. That's like it's in printer face right there. It's loaded up. That's layer by layer right there. Went down, up. That's how it printed. I already have it heated up. If you look, I have 230 out 230, and it's hovering between 59 and 60 degrees for the bed. So, yeah, I hit print, and that's it. I think I just end it right here, or do I push print? I don't remember. But yeah, that's all I have to do. It prints right up. It works. So as long as you follow that and make sure everything's in millimeters, it should work for you. It should be great. So I will talk to you later. And hopefully I can get rid of some annoying music in this video, because this video thing I'm using is crap. Alright, see you later, man.